Phone battery died.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
Hi, no problem at all. Is everything okay?
Not really, my phone just died.
Oh no, is your battery completely dead?
Yes, it shut off about 10 minutes ago. I didn't notice the battery was so low.
That's really stressful. Do you need to call someone urgently?
Yes, I really need to make a call. I'm supposed to meet my friend here, but she doesn't know where I am.
I see. Would it be okay if you used my phone for a quick call?
Would that be okay? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Here you go. Take your time.
Thank you. I'll be quick. Hi, it's me. My phone died. I'm near the main entrance by the coffee shop.
Is your friend coming?
Yes, she's on her way. She'll be here in about 10 minutes.
Great. That's a relief.
It really is. I was worried. I thought she might leave.
It happens to all of us. Don't worry about it.
Thank you again. You really helped me out.
I'm happy I could help. Well, I hope you enjoy your day with your friend.
Thank you. You too. Have a wonderful day.
Take care. Bye.
Buying expired milk at the supermarket.
Excuse me. I bought this milk yesterday, but I think there's a problem.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be wrong?
I just noticed that the milk is expired. Look at the date here.
Oh, let me take a look. Oh, you're right. The expiration date was last Tuesday.
Yes, I didn't notice it when I picked it up from the shelf.
I completely understand. I'm very sorry about that. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Is the bottle still sealed? Did you open it?
No, I haven't opened it. I noticed the date before I opened it.
Good. That makes it easy to handle. Would you like a full refund or a replacement?
A replacement would be great, please. I still need milk.
Of course. Let me get a fresh one for you from the back. One moment.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Here you go. This one is fresh. Please check the date.
Yes, this one is okay.
Great. Again, I'm truly sorry for the inconvenience. We should have caught that.
No worries, these things happen. I'm just glad it was easy to fix.
We'll check that section again right away. Thank you for letting us know.
Of course, it's better to know, right?
Absolutely. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think I'm all set. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Asking for the Wi-Fi password in cafe.
Hi.
Excuse me, may I ask you something?
Sure. How can I help you?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do. It's free for all customers.
Great. Could I have the Wi-Fi password, please?
Of course. The password is written on the board behind you, actually.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Let me look.
No problem. Can you see it okay?
Yes. Okay, I'm trying to connect now, and the password is subscribe123, all lowercase.
Yes, exactly. All lowercase.
It's connecting now.
Great. Is it working?
Yes, it's connected. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It can sometimes be slow when there are a lot of people here.
That's okay. I just need to send a quick message and check my emails.
That should be fine then.
Thank you. This is a really nice cafe, by the way.
Thank you. We're glad you like it. Enjoy your time here.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, could I also see a menu? I'd like to order something to eat.
Of course. Today's special is a grilled cheese sandwich. Very popular.
Perfect. I'll have that, please.
Perfect. I'll bring your grilled cheese sandwich over to you in a few minutes.
Returning wrong food at a restaurant.
Excuse me.
Is everything okay?
Not quite. I think there might be a small problem with my order.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's the matter?
I ordered the chicken pasta, but I think this is the beef pasta.
Let me take a look. Oh, you're right. This is the beef pasta. I'm so sorry about that.
That's okay. It happens. Could I get the chicken pasta instead?
Absolutely. I'll take this back and put in the right order right away.
Thank you. Will it take long?
It should be ready in about 10 minutes. I'll make sure it's a priority.
That's fine. I'm not in a rush.
Thank you for your patience. Would you like some bread while you wait?
Oh, that would be nice. Thank you.
Of course. And your drink. Is everything okay with that?
Yes, the drink is perfect. Thank you for asking.
Great. I'll be back shortly with the correct order.
Thank you. I really appreciate how you handled this.
We always want our guests to be happy. I'm sorry again for the mix-up.
No worries at all. Everyone makes mistakes.
Here is your chicken pasta. I hope it's exactly right this time.
This looks wonderful. Yes, this is definitely the chicken pasta.
I'm so glad. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Weekend plans.
Hey, Sarah, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not much, actually. It's been a long week. I just want to rest. How about you?
I'm thinking of taking it easy too. Maybe go for a walk if the weather is nice.
That sounds relaxing. Where would you go? Huh?
Probably the park near my apartment. It's really quiet in the mornings.
That sounds lovely. I love the park. I might go on Sunday.
Oh, really? We could go together if you like.
I'd like that. What time were you thinking?
Maybe around 9 in the morning, before it gets too busy.
Perfect. I'm usually up early anyway.
Great. We could bring coffee and sit by the lake for a bit.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I love doing that.
Are you planning to do anything else this weekend?
I might meet a friend for dinner on Saturday evening.
Nice. Where are you going?
We're thinking of trying that new Italian restaurant on Main Street.
Oh, I've heard great things about that place. The pasta is supposed to be amazing.
Really? I'm excited now. Have you been there?
Not yet. But a friend of mine went last month and really loved it.
I'll let you know how it is. Maybe we can all go sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. I'd love that.
So Sunday morning at the park. It's a plan,
It's a plan. I'll bring the coffee.
and I'll bring some snacks. See you Sunday.
Picnic at the park.
This park is really beautiful. I'm so glad we came today.
Me too. The weather's just perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
Exactly. Let's sit over here under this tree. There's some nice shade.
Good idea. I brought a blanket. Help me spread it out.
Sure. Here we go. Perfect. What did you bring to eat?
I made sandwiches, cheese and tomato, and also egg salad. And I brought some fruit.
That sounds delicious. I brought some cookies and juice.
Great. We have plenty of food then. Which sandwich would you like?
I'll try the cheese and tomato, please.
Here you go. Let me know what you think.
This is really good. Did you make these yourself?
Yes, I made them this morning. I'm glad you like them.
Everything always tastes better outside, doesn't it?
I think so too. The fresh air makes everything nicer.
It's so quiet and peaceful here today.
Yes, it is. I really needed this. Work has been so busy lately.
Same here. It's nice to just slow down and enjoy the day.
Exactly. Would you like a cookie?
Yes, please. I brought chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, those are my favorite. Thank you.
Would you like to take a walk around the lake after we eat?
I'd love that. And maybe we can take some photos too. It's so pretty here.
Great idea. The lake looks beautiful today. I'll take some pictures of the trees.
I'm really enjoying this afternoon. We should do this more often.
Definitely, I don't want to leave.
Let's stay a little longer then.
Agreed.
Small talk in the elevator.
Good morning.
Good morning, going up?
Yes, to the 6th floor. How about you?
I'm going to the 8th. It's quite busy this morning, isn't it?
Yes, Mondays are always like this. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was really nice, thank you. I went to the park and had dinner with a friend. You?
Sounds lovely. I had a quiet one. I stayed home mostly and watched some films.
That sounds relaxing too. Sometimes a quiet weekend is exactly what you need.
Exactly. Though the traffic this morning was terrible.
I know. It was much heavier than usual. I almost missed the bus.
I nearly missed the elevator. I had to run from the entrance.
I know that feeling. At least we made it.
True, this elevator stops on every floor sometimes, which doesn't help.
Yes, especially when you're running late. It can be really frustrating.
By the way, I don't think we've officially met. I'm Jake from the marketing team.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Sarah. I'm in the design team. I just started last week.
Oh, really? Welcome. I think our teams work together sometimes.
Yes. I was actually told to contact the marketing team about a project this week.
Perfect timing then. Come and find me when you're ready. I'm on the 6th floor, desk 12.
Great, I will. This is my floor. It was lovely to meet you, Jake.
Lovely to meet you too, Sarah. Have a great day.
You too. See you soon.
Relaxing at the beach.
This beach is absolutely amazing. I'm so glad we came today.
Me too. I've been looking forward to this all week. The view is incredible.
And the weather is just right. Not too hot and not too windy.
Perfect beach weather. I love feeling the sun on my face.
Same here. Did you put on sunscreen?
Yes, I did. I like the sun, but I want to protect my skin.
Good idea. I put some on too. I don't want to get sunburned.
Smart. The sun is quite strong today.
I love just lying here and listening to the waves. It's so peaceful.
Yes, the sound of the sea is so relaxing. I feel better already.
Do you want to go swimming later?
Maybe in a little while. I want to relax here first and enjoy the sun.
That sounds good. We don't need to rush. We have the whole day.
Exactly. Days like this are so precious. No plans, no stress.
I completely agree. Trips like this really help me forget about work.
Me too. I feel so much more relaxed already, and we just got here.
After swimming, maybe we can find a place to eat near the beach.
Oh, yes. Seafood by the sea sounds perfect.
I saw a nice little restaurant when we were walking over here.
Let's go there for dinner then. A beach day and a nice dinner. Perfect.
And after dinner, we could walk along the beach and watch the sunset.
That sounds like a dream. I love beach sunsets.
We should plan beach trips like this more often.
Definitely. This is exactly what I needed.
Booking a hotel by phone.
Good afternoon, Sunrise Hotel. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a room, please.
Of course. When would you like to stay with us?
From this Friday to Sunday. That's 2 nights.
Let me check availability for you. One moment, please.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes, we have rooms available. How many guests will be staying?
2 adults.
Would you like a room with 1 bed or 2 beds?
2 beds, please.
Okay. Do you have any special requests?
Yes, if possible, I'd love a room with a sea view.
Let me check. Yes, we do have a sea view room with 2 beds available.
Wonderful. How much is it per night?
The sea view room is $90 per night.
That's fine. Does that include breakfast?
Not by default, but we can add breakfast for an extra $15 per person per day.
Yes, please include breakfast. That would be great.
Perfect. May I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's Jake Smith.
Could you spell your last name, please?
Sure, Smith.
Thank you. And may I have a phone number?
Yes, it's 555-4321.
What time do you expect to arrive on Friday?
Probably around 7 in the evening.
No problem. We'll hold the room for you. Your booking is confirmed. You'll receive a confirmation message shortly.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. We look forward to welcoming you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Smith. We'll see you on Friday evening.
I'm really looking forward to it. The sea view sounds amazing.
It really is beautiful, especially in the evening. You'll love it.
First time meeting. A new colleague.
Hi there. Are you new here? I don't think we've met.
Yes, I am. I just started today. It's my first day.
Welcome. It's great to have you here. I'm Jake from the marketing team.
Nice to meet you, Jake. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Which department are you joining?
I'm joining the design team. I'll be working on visual content.
Oh, that's great. We work with the design team a lot. I'm sure we'll work together soon.
That's good to know. I was hoping to meet people from different teams.
Is this your first job in design?
No, I worked at another company for 2 years, so this is my first day here, though.
How are you finding it so far? Is everything okay?
Everyone seems very friendly, but the office is a bit bigger than I expected.
Yes, it can be confusing at first. I got lost on my first week too.
Oh, really? That makes me feel better.
Don't worry. You'll learn the layout quickly. Did they give you a full tour this morning?
Yes, but there's a lot to remember. Where is the break room, by the way?
It's on this floor just down the hall and to the left. There's a coffee machine too.
Perfect. I really need a coffee right now.
A few of us usually go at around 10 o'clock for a quick break. You should join us.
I'd love that. Thank you for the invitation.
Of course, it's a great way to meet more people.
That's really kind of you. I was a little nervous about starting today.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way on the first day.
You're right, everyone has been so welcoming. I feel much better now.
If you need help with anything at all, and just come and find me.
Thank you so much, Jake. I really appreciate that. See you at 10.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.